Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Looking for the perfect MagSafe battery pack for your iPhone 12 or 13 series phone? You might want to check out Anker's new 622 magnetic battery, part of its new MagGo line. Featuring a cool little built-in stand, this MagSafe power bank has a 5,000 milliamp hour capacity, charges at 7.5 watt fast charging speed, and is noticeably sleeker and thinner than Anker's previous MagSafe battery pack. Let's check out this product in greater detail. Looking at the contents of the box, no real surprises here. We've got our user's manual. You've got a USB-C to USB-C charging cable, here in kind of a boring white. I was hoping for a matching color with the power bank, but no such luck. We don't have any kind of a wall charger included. You're going to need one that's USB-C compatible, that's going to charge at 12 watts or greater. If you don't already have something that meets these specifications, you might want to consider Anker's Nano Pro. It comes in matching colors to the power banks. Very cute, very small. This is going to charge at 20 watts. So it's a really nice little device, so definitely something to consider. But if you already have a compatible USB-C charger, then you don't need to worry about it. So looking a little more closely at the MagSafe power bank itself, which Anker has named its 622 magnetic battery. This is really quite a nice product. You've got quite a slim profile. Soft touch finish. We have this cool little stand here. It's very easy to operate, but it adds basically zero thickness. Very well integrated into the product. This is going to give you 5,000 milliamp hours of power, so if you have an iPhone 12 or 12 Pro, this is going to give you almost a full charge, but for the 13 and 13 Pro, this is going to only give you about 80% of a charge according to Anker, and when I tested it, I was getting more like 70% of a full charge. However, it's very temperature dependent, and using a case can affect your results as well. I was using a case, and I think perhaps my room was a little bit warm, and that can definitely affect your results. So 70%, 80%, that's all good, because honestly, in my opinion, what you need this kind of a device for is for a quick and easy top-up, and in that respect, this Anker MagSafe power bank definitely excels. So looking at this in comparison with Anker's previous MagSafe power bank, the PowerCore Magnetic 5K, you can see that the new one is definitely thinner. However, it is just a little bit longer, as well as a little bit wider. So I don't know that it's actually smaller, but I think that the size is better distributed. And of course, it has this cool stand, and the previous version did not. As far as power is concerned, however, we're looking at the same size. Both of these are 5,000 milliamp hours. So because of the increased length of the 622 magnetic battery, it's not going to work well with the 12 mini or the 13 mini, simply too long. However, it is going to work well with the iPhone 13 Pro. So the iPhone 13 Pro causes a lot of problems for MagSafe accessories because its camera is just too big. So some MagSafe wallets and some MagSafe power banks just aren't going to fit on there. For example, the Mophie Snap Plus Juice Pack Mini, which is a lovely power bank, just does not fit on here properly because it whacks up against the camera. So Mophie does not recommend this for the 13 Pro, which is unfortunate. However, this Anker power bank is going to work perfectly. No issue there as far as the camera is concerned. It's going to fit on here well on a naked iPhone 13 Pro as well as one with a case. You can see it's very, very slightly longer here when you were using it on a naked 13 Pro, but it's such a small amount that I don't think it's going to cause any problem. So overall, really nice fit here with the 13 Pro, and a very nice color combo here as well. This misty blue color looks great with the Sierra Blue iPhone. Looking at the 13 Pro with a CASETiFY MagSafe impact case on here. Again, really good fit, and as you can see, absolutely no overhang there. Looks great. Looking at it here with the cool stand in place. Got a really nice arrangement here. The stand feels really quite secure. You can use it like this. You can also flip it up and use it in a landscape mode. The other thing that you can do is use it lying down in landscape mode. That works fine as well, and that position actually works really well if you want to continue having this in a stand mode and use the pass-through charging option. So it's possible to charge both your phone and the MagSafe battery at the same time, but obviously you can't do that when you are in a vertical stand mode because you won't have any access to the charging port. So really great arrangement here. Very convenient. And very nice strong magnet on here, no concern there. So looking at the 622 magnetic battery on the iPhone 13 Pro Max, everything works perfectly here. Really nice fit on here. Plenty of space obviously with this great big phone. So if you noticed when I attached this on here, I didn't have to turn on the power button for the power bank. That's one of the really nice features of this product. So when this is attached onto a MagSafe Qi device, it's going to start charging immediately. In fact, there's no way to make it not charge immediately. There's no way to actually turn off that feature. But I think for most people, it's just super convenient. You attach, it starts to charge, and that's it. You don't have to remember to turn on a power button or anything like that. And in fact, that's Anker's slogan for this product, Snap, Charge, Go. It's actually very accurate, super convenient to use. So looking at the 13 Pro Max in the Apple leather case, really great look here. Again, Snap, Charge, Go. Super easy, super convenient. Looking at our stand here with a larger phone, I mean, it's really very strong. It's not likely to tip over. I mean, if you really work at it, I suppose it will, but it's quite stable. You can also use it in that position. And then if you want to use it like this, it's also going to work. Great magnets on here. Very secure. Just a really great product here from Anker. Again, we've been looking at the Anker 622 magnetic battery, part of Anker's MagGo lineup. This product is available directly from Anker as well as from Amazon, and it has an MSRP of $59.99. It comes in 5 cool colors, the Misty Blue featured in this review, as well as Interstellar Gray, Dolomite White, Lilac Purple, and Buds Green. Many thanks to the kind folks at Anker for sending me out this sample to review. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comment section below, and you might want to hit that subscribe button because I've got a lot of iPhone 13 series accessory reviews coming up. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day.